As you guys might have already guessed, based on the engine hoist and this car, I unfortunately have to pull the motor out of it because it locked up on me. Amazing. I really didn't want to have to pull the motor out of this thing, but the other night on my way home, it was running and then it wasn't running and not starting.
It goes thunk.
Yeah, so the starter just goes thud, and then I tried to turn it over with a wrench by hand, and it did not. So something's kaput. I think it spun a rod bearing.
It's nice. I think it's fixed.
It's all good now. Pulling the engine out. We're pulling the engine out.
This is the video that's sad because now you have no running cars.
Yes, this was my daily driver, and I have no running cars left at this point. So we got to make this happen.
Okay, checking in. We have some stuff unhooked.
We got the harness off, intake out. Well, not intake, but the, you know what I'm saying.
The MAF?
Yeah. Well, not a MAF. Airflow meter.
Airflow meter? I don't know.
Meter.
Oh, that's right, this car's old.
We got the fuel lines off. We're working on taking the header out, and then we got to get the radiator and everything out of here. But we're getting pretty close to being able to pluck this thing out of the engine bay and figure out what happened.
Thankfully, it's not that bad. Because probably by yourself would suck.
Yeah. I've done a lot of work on cars by myself. It's not fun.
So
you curse a lot more.
We will get back to you once we're ready to pull this business out. Okay.
New development.
We took this out.
I think I found why my engine is quote unquote seized. Hold on, let me get a light.
I know. I was like, you can't really. Well, you can see it shining, but you can't really see what it is.
So there's a bolt wedged between my flywheel and bell housing. I think that might have something to do with why my engine is not turning over, which is hopefully a good thing because that means that the engine itself is actually fine and I was just being paranoid.
But now we took all this stuff off and we might not have needed to.
Yeah.
And we can't find out if the engine's okay until we put it all back on. Ha ha ha.
So yeah, we're actually, hold on, let me get real quick. Coming to you live action.
Live action. Wow.
Say, if I can move this backwards, I can probably pull that bolt out.
Okay, I have my hand on it. Go. Oh, oh God. No, it won't.
Well, that was me cracking this bolt loose. Okay.
Yeah, it's like really wedged in there.
So we gotta try to figure out how to get that bolt out.
That pesky little bugger. I mean, you're gonna hate me, but it would be easier to pull the engine out, and then it'll be really easy to get out. But I know that you don't want to do that. I don't want to do that either. So, oh God.
That was me just tightening that bolt.
Okay, I was like, if you try to move, no, that won't make any. I don't know. Anyways,
we'll get back to you in a few minutes.
We're gonna figure out what we're doing. Ah! So we pulled this boy out of the starter hole.
I'm happy, but I'm mad. I'm happy, but I'm mad.
So the engine turns over. Show the people. Show the people the engine turns over.
So I thought it was seized, but obviously now it turns over without too much effort. So that was what it was. I didn't spin a bearing, thankfully, because I thought I was going to have to yank this motor apart.
Except for now we took apart all of this and we have to put it back together.
which I prefer to the alternative, but still,
It's
I
kind
wish
of
I would
annoying.
have figured out that was the issue from the
But
beginning.
I don't know how we would have thought there would have been this.
I don't even know what the heck that bolt is from. It's like some weird like screw head, like it's like a Phillips head, long like M6 bolt. This should not have been in the bell housing. I don't even know what it's from.
We should probably preface this with we did not swap this car. We bought it
I
swapped.
bought this car with the swap done, so somewhere along the line, this ended up in the bell housing and wasn't an issue until just now. But whatever.
The engine's not gone, so yay!
Yes, yay.
So now we're gonna put it all back together. Bye.
Alright, so we obviously have pretty much everything back together, I think. So we're going to have to start this thing, and hopefully it all goes well.
Yay!
You want to go ahead and give it a shot?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I need... Hold on.
I mean, we should probably...
This might help.
Maybe look at the battery. That might be a good idea. Okay. Ready?
Yep. Did you turn the fuel pump on?
No.
Should probably do that.
Yeah.
Actually, just turn on the fuel pump for a second. I want to check for leaks. Yeah. Alright, I think we're good. Go ahead and start it. Well, he runs. Alright, well, that's that. This wasn't much of a video. I thought there was going to be a lot more going on with us tearing the motor down to figure out what was wrong, but it didn't turn out that way, and I'm pretty glad that it didn't. So, catch you guys next time.